So here is the vertical line test. It says a curve in the xy plane is the graph of a function of x if and only if no vertical line intersects the curve more than once. So here, for this curve here, you can see that wherever you draw a vertical line, it's going to only cut the curve in one place. So this blue curve would be called a function, whereas this blue curve would not be, because they're, for example, at A, if we draw a vertical line, we cut it at two places, we have 2 points. So that's not a function. So then they say a more typical example might be something like this. So that's actually kind of a parabola, but it's really a parabola on its side, because instead of having x squared, we have y squared. So if we look at that, it looks like this. So this is not a function because of the vertical line test tells us that it's not. They say the parabola, this so-called parabola, however, does contain the graphs of two functions. Or we could split the graph up into two, where each one would be a function. They say if you start with this equation, you can rewrite it like this, and then you can say that you can take the square root of both sides, you get plus or minus. So if you only take the plus side, then you get this picture here, and if you only take the minus side, then you get this picture here. So if you say, I only mean the plus side, then we only mean this blue, and this blue is a function. Same thing with this orange, it is a function. So if you separate them, then you could call each piece a function. So here's the positive square root, and here's the negative square root. Those are both functions.